Yeah, g'day guys, James Fawcett here, and I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer, and I'm coming at you with how to build converting bridge pages or thank you pages. So when that traffic is coming through, your opt-in page or your squeeze page, the next step we really want to focus on is converting them into hungry buyers and basically generating the commissions, all right? So we're working really hard to build the traffic that we've got coming through. We've already built the opt-in page, which is in the card above if you haven't checked it out already. And now we're going to want to turn that into sales, all right? Ultimately, this is obviously where the main cheddar is because you want to break even on your traffic, or even if you bring it in from social media as well, like you're getting those organic leads, this is a real good time to really turn them into, buyers and start generating those commissions. So guys, if you like this video, you want to keep enjoying this content, just click subscribe, and now we're going to get stuck into it. So guys, I'm in systeme.io, which is a referable system. And if you haven't come across any of my trainings yet, or you haven't heard of systeme at all, you can pick up systeme you can pick it up for free. Down below is a link to a special, a free account, if you want to call it that, where you can get, you can build 3 funnels, you can build some pages. You also can email out up to 2,000 contacts for absolutely no charge. And it's just a great starting point for anyone that's looking to do affiliate marketing and just start getting the ball rolling. All right. So what we're going to do now, we're already in funnels. So in the last video, which I've already, I'm going to reference this shortly. The video is also down in the description if you want to go check that out. On we've already built an opt-in page or a squeeze page where we're starting to get leads into our email system. All right. Now we need to obviously break even. We want to break even on either the traffic that we spent, or even the or basically just getting the free traffic that we're coming through from our organic traffic sources. We want to convert them into sales, right? So I've already built a squeeze page here, as you can see. Now we want to go ahead and start building a thank you page, right? So we need a VSL, basically a video sales letter, and the best way to do that, honestly, is to literally clone the video of the product or the sales page, the video on the sales page. And I've found that to be really effective because, they're going to watch it, they're going to hate it, or they're going to love it. And this is a really good mechanism in order to start getting the chains moving. So what we want to find is somewhere with the video, and sometimes, honestly, I'm just going to move this here. We want to go find a template that's already got, just a straight up VSL. Something like this one even. We'll check out some other ones as well. So we'll just check this out. So essentially we just want to pick a nice clean page. This one seems alright. So we're just going to select that one. Alright, now we want to go edit the page. And I'm probably going to rip this apart a little bit. I'm going to remove some elements that we don't need. This seems pretty solid. So just on systeme.io, guys, YouTube is probably the best place to upload these videos and put them in here, okay? YouTube works pretty well with systeme. I've tried Vimeo. For some reason it freezes. I've tried Wistia, sometimes it freezes too. YouTube, if you're going to basically record a VSL or a bridge video to try and, obviously give a bit more information, I would definitely recommend you guys just upload it to YouTube and get the link and plug it in, all right? And we'll do that in a moment. So essentially what you need to look at here is, just a nice clean page. Super simple. The point of this is to have a really good capturing headline. Also, we want to, essentially convert them into sales, right? We want them to click the link and go to the sales page. So what we're going to simply do is I'm just going to go here and we're going to follow off on the template that we've had earlier. So I'm just going to quickly save the changes. And we want it to be congruent with our squeeze page, okay? So I'm just going to go view funnel step. So this is the squeeze page that we had. And we want to basically keep that in line with what we've got going on, okay? So I'm essentially just going to copy it. You can keep it super simple, guys. Go back out of there. Go to Thankyou download page. We want to go there. All right. And I'm just going to copy paste that, right? All right. So And we're just going to go revealed. And what I want to do here is I essentially just want to reduce the font size just a bit. The line height, squeeze it up a little bit. Because what you need to do is you need to think about, all right, what's it going to look like on the mobile too? So we want to try and make it as much as we can. One, mobile optimized as well. System's usually pretty good at, interactive or dynamic type changes. So we're just going to stick with this right now. Reveal complete can be generated, all right? And then we want to get them to approve, set up in just 30 minutes. All right, so we're pointing out point of ease. And we want to change the font color a little bit. So we need to highlight that, change the font color either to orange or red. We'll go red. And we want to reduce, we want to make the padding a little bit more. Right, so we'll look at the margin on this one. So the bottom margin here, we want to bring that up a little bit closer, okay? And now we want to, I'm not really feeling like any of this, so I'm going to change it up a bit. These are done here to keep it, pretty dynamic. And it just helps a little bit, so I guess we could probably leave it there. Usually what I like to do is have a bigger video, but I think we can just keep this here for the purpose of this training. So I want to bring that up a little bit more too. All right, so if you look at the bottom here, bring it up a little bit, and then you go click video to watch. All right, like I said, you got to keep it super simple. You don't want to overcomplicate the wording. People, you got to think about probably 5th grade reading level is usually the optimized for ease of reading and to get, start generating, understanding with the audience coming through. And, it's just a matter of, you can even do it on ChatGPT as well. So like, for example, if I just go over ChatGPT and I just start up a new chat, right? And I just go to 3.5, which is the free version, okay? You can definitely get different variations of this as well. So, please write me 5 different variations of the below headline, thank you page headline. Keep language the same and at a 5th grade reading level. Alright, so essentially I'm just going to do that, and as you can see, it comes out with a bunch of stuff already. And you can even use these as subject lines in your emails too. So, you can definitely take these and apply them. Or, you can just take this. This is free to clone if you wanted to go ahead and do that, guys. So we're going to keep this as it is. I want to make that nice and red. So I'm just going to highlight that, and I'm just going to go straight red. And because we want to really point that out, I want to bold this, okay? And then I want to make that a different color. You can do green, probably a little bit too bright there. Green, purple. You can also do this. It's good to make it consistent with the actual offer in itself as well. Red's pretty much fine. So now we've already got the video there, guys. So for example, if I want to duck over to YouTube, I'm just going to go get my YouTube link to my bridge page, which I've uploaded, and we can start leveraging that. Now, what we need to do here on top of this is we just need to expand this button out a little bit more. So what you want to do here is that, for example, I do a lot of stuff on Warrior Plus, going over here, and we're just going to simply find an offer. So we're going to go with Hydra here, which is one of my offers. And then we're going to go back to editor, okay? Do this. copy and paste the URL because that's where we want them to go, and I'm just going to put bridge on that. So that means that I know where the sales are coming from through that training, okay? Through that thought. So now we need to go up here, and I want to go click here to secure your VIP secure Hydra and your VIP bonuses for it expires. Okay, and pretty solid there. Now we just want to go here and we want to change the color. Like, I'm not a big fan of this color, honestly. So I want to change that, and I'm just going to make it a nice blue. It's even got a border, so we're going to change that too. And we want to go back to the same color. Okay, so it just keeps it super simple. And then yeah, so that's pretty much almost about it, guys. And you obviously want to put your terms and conditions here from the opt-in page. Same thing. As you can see here, I put terms and conditions, privacy policy, spam act, all that, right? Make sure you put that there. I'll just obviously make a point of it, and I'll put it there as well. We want to put a block in. So elements, text. Right, so keep that there. All right. Now, guys, what you can also do is if you wanted to, you can obviously go to the sales page. If you're using my sales pages, it doesn't really worry me. You can actually put proofs in here as well in different images. So you can get like, proofs of results, videos of testimonials, stuff like that as well. And usually all I do here, guys, is simply just put in the VSL from the sales page. Also, another good thing you could do is, you could put a bit of scarcity on there, limited copies available, secure now before time expires. Just simple stuff like that. All right. So, guys, that's pretty much how you build a converting bridge page. Very simple, very easy. You don't need to overcomplicate it. All right. Sometimes if you have too much on the page, it can be very overwhelming for people, and I fully recommend that the first bridge page that I ever did, it was probably the most shocking video of all time, but it converted because I resonated with the audience. People are looking for a result-driven material. They want obviously ease. They want to be able to have stuff on automation, without doing a lot of work. Like that's what people look for when they're coming into this industry. All right. So, excuse me. So yeah, so guys, it's definitely worthwhile, taking the time just to get it right. Make sure all the links work, everything like that. And now we have a nice bridge page that's going to follow on from the opt-in into here. Okay. So guys, thanks very much. I hope you enjoyed this training. Like I said, if you are looking to, jump into, if you're looking for mentorship or you're looking for, a way to get more traffic into your list building or your email marketing, and you're doing affiliate marketing and you're really struggling to get, really quality leads coming through, down below in the description is some information about my Breakout University program. It is we have a full community, and we have a 6-week fast start implementation program where newbies are getting results really, really quickly. And even if you're an experienced marketer as well, we've even got 6-figure and 7-figure people coming through because they want to be able to tap in and get more leads and obviously more revenue into their system. So if you're looking to generate, 25K months, and you really want to start leveraging a proven result and system, click down below, guys. Check it out, and I look forward to having a chat with you very soon. Thanks very much, guys, and have a good one. Cheers.